Tomorrow's the fancy Halloween dress party, but I haven't got a Halloween costume. So I've decided to make a ghost out of my dad's old t-shirt. First measure, because otherwise we won't know where my eyes are gonna go. Then cut. Be very careful with this. That's it, Daddy. Can't wear your t-shirt anymore. Three, decorations. You don't want it just to be a plain white t-shirt with holes in it. Add a little smile on its face. And then maybe we could add a little bow tie. Together. This together, clip this together. Okay. And let me get my arms through. Kind of a bit of a struggle, but Boom! Are you scared?